welcome or welcome back to the vlog. I'm Cassie if you're new here, and this weekend is the Victoria Day long weekend, so come along with us for that. And we're gonna go pick up my little cousin, and we're gonna go to Wonderland. We're almost there. Oh! Okay, look over there. Where are we? We're here. We're gonna go to Spinny Cups. Oh.
Yeah, but what is that?
What's what? It's a ride. We're gonna go on now.
I'm blowing bubbles.
You blowing bubbles? Hi. Say hi. It's pretty, right? Are you having fun? Yeah. Are you excited? Are you excited? We're going Blue Bastards on Blue Hill. Yeah. Keep dancing. Careful. Ghoster coaster. What? Yeah, you can run. Go, go, go. We're gonna go on Ghoster coaster. Whoa. Was that fun? Gus, Gus? Was that fun? Yeah. Do you like this one?
That was super fun.
I know, right? You excited to go on a horsey?
I like that on the horse.
Yeah. I can't go, I'm too tall. You excited? Keep going. Good job. He's almost there. Keep going, keep going. We're on the train one. Okay. Was that one fun?
That one is a little wishy-washy.
Yes, Gus is with my mom and at the park, and we're gonna go on Yukon Striker for dinner. I'm gonna get a chicken sandwich from Roadside Chicken.
There. What? Jump.
Gave him a shower.
Then.
Went to Walmart with my mom. He had pizza for dinner at Wonderland. Did you have fun at Wonderland? Yeah?
I want to go again.
I'm like burnt. You can't see it right now, but it was so hot today. I had a shower as well.
Dude, who saw me?
Playing Roblox. And tomorrow's another long day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, I made him breakfast. And I had some breakfast as well. He did so well last night. But right now I'm gonna do my hair while he's playing outside with my brother, because I'll have some time to myself for a little bit. So I'm gonna curl my hair right now, and then I'm gonna tidy up my room. But today we have that family barbecue, so. Go, Dad.
I'll grab you, okay?
Agora vem comer fora, estou na questão, lugar. Chega a casa com chama.
Fotografia.
Wow.
Hey, aim it the other way.
Shut up.
Bro, can you eat your cucumber? You!
What's happening, guys?
Say hi. We're having an open house. So we're just at the park and I'm chilling with the cat in the car because the cat can't really be home when there's an open house. And then my little cousin, my mom, my dad, my brother, and my dog are all playing in the park right now, and I'm just on cat duty, but I don't mind because I love her. And she's going back under the seat and I don't know how she fits there. Yeah, we went to McDonald's for lunch. And now they're just showing hi. And I really need to pee, but it's not even 2 o'clock yet. And the open house is done at 4 and I need to pee and it's not even 2 o'clock. So, anyways, probably should stop drinking my Diet Coke then. I'm so sorry I didn't film much yesterday. I was just kind of chilling, having fun. But yeah, it's Sunday. We have a day and a half left of break and then back to school. It's okay. I have 2 more math units. I have 1.5 more healthcare. I have 2 more civics and I have 1 more religion, and there's no test for the religion one, thank God. There is a test for the 2nd unit for civics, and I don't know about healthcare. I don't think there's going to be tests. There will be quizzes though. And then of course we have our final projects, which is just like one big project with everything you've learned during the year, and I have one for each class. But for civics, it weighs more than the other classes because we don't have an exam for civics. Can't wait to see my friends, Ari, Keith, Kieran, Ben, Aaron, all of them. I love them all. I feel like I haven't talked much in this video, so I'm sorry for that. Like that. I literally look like a freak. And I use the Revlon straightener. But I was supposed to film a soft day of my life as a sophomore in high school this week. But that didn't turn out because I just had a really rough day. And the original filming date was canceled because me and my boyfriend broke up. I broke up with him. We're on good terms, like we're friends. So this week has just been a rough week. I want to update you guys. With my cousin at home, he cried. Poor baby. I'll go home, but I love him so much. I think I told you guys this. He's my cousin. He's 5 years old. I had a lot of fun yesterday. Yesterday I rode an ATV. We did fireworks, had some yummy Portuguese food. Like we had leitão, which is oven roasted pig in like this special oven, and it's so good. It was homemade. Like usually we buy it, but like the people we went to their house, it's like a farm and they have like a special oven for it. This was the best. I went on a drive with my cousin and her boyfriend, Jess and Brian. Had some dessert, pork, like pig ear, so good. There was blood sausage, which I accidentally tried. I would not have tried it if I knew what it was, because just the name disgusts me. It tasted fine. I feel like it was just really fatty, so I don't think I would eat it willingly again. Today we got McDonald's for lunch. I had one yesterday, but it was just like that one was just beef, and then it was a certain kind of steak, and then today I had it with like yesterday I had it with steak. Today I had it with an actual like beef not beef patty. I don't know how to explain it. And I put some red pickled onions on it because my mom makes them, and I put some pickles, and I put some banana peppers, Portuguese mustard, some mayo, and Portuguese chips. It's like they taste like regular like good old Lay's, but they're better in my opinion. It's like Portuguese products, so like you get it from the Portuguese store. Ariana texted me. I'm supposed to FaceTime her when she gets home from the store. Got broken up with. Well, I broke up with mine. She got broken up with, and our other friend Keith, our guy best friend, we're like a little trio. He got broken up with. That's not nice. Anyways, yeah. So the whole trio's single. Me and her are literally gonna be hanging out every day this summer, permitting I am still living here. I was supposed to go to Wonderland with my friends today, with Ben, Aaron, and Hope, but I had to cancel that, so we're gonna redo that. We're gonna do that in June instead. But Ariana's gonna call me, we're gonna FaceTime, and then we're gonna play Roblox. Literally the epitome of girlhood. We have one more day left in this long weekend, and I'm actually so excited to go back to school to see my friends. Not excited for like learning, but I am excited to see my friends. Guys, I'm literally so excited for the summer. So excited to get back on my gym grind this week as well, because I haven't been on it this week, actually. I think I went to the gym twice this week. That's actually really bad, but it's fine. It's fine. I also need to do my eyebrows this week. And guys, guess what? The weekend concert is in 5 days. I'm going to the one in Detroit because it's cheaper than going to the one in Toronto. And it's okay because I get Dunkin'. You guys know how much I love Dunkin'. Like, I'd kill to have Dunkin' in Canada. I promise you, I'm saying this is a joke. If Canada becomes the 51st state, I'm starting a petition to make Dunkin' province-wide, or would be statewide, to put a Dunkin' in literally every single town and city in Ontario. Screw the other provinces. Ontario. Oh, hi, baby girl. He's so pretty. Okay, kiss. Thank you. I love Dunkin'. I got my outfit already for the concert. I'm so excited. I have my playlist because I don't listen to Cardi much, but he is playing there, and I know, like, I pretty much know the songs he's playing because we found a set list from his concert in Arizona. Or was it Phoenix? It was Arizona. I found his set list through there. So we're good. And I can, like, make sure I learn all the songs before Saturday, which I know most of them that he's playing. It's like Evil Jordan, Fiend type shit. 2024, Wheezy, I think. Magnolia. There's some more. And then I know basically every single song on the Able list. I actually turned off my lamp. I definitely just turned off my lamp. I was looking at the black cord and pulling the clear one. But I'm so excited for the concert. We're gonna get Dunkin'. I'm going with my brother. It's gonna be so sick. It's gonna be so fun. And yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready to call Ari. And maybe because I missed a vlog last week, I'll upload this one on Wednesday. And then also I need to go get this nail fixed. I got these done a week ago. The day I got them done, this broke. The day after, 2 days after, this broke. Friday, this broke. And then I just glued it on, and then it fell off yesterday and I can't find it. So I have to go back this week for this one. I have to go do my eyebrows. Actually makes me so mad. But yeah, guys, I'll be vlogging the concert. That will be its own vlog. And I will also be vlogging sometime during this week for a, like, sophomore day in my life. And then I'll just post it on Friday. Unless I film Friday, I'll post it on, like, Sunday. So my posting schedule's a little mixed up because I've had a rough week. But it's fine. Anyways, I'm gonna wait for Ari. And I'll see you guys. Maybe I'll update you guys later.
How are we at 70% already?
What game are we playing?
Tum 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 sahur. Hello. Who was that?
Okay. This is a cutesy little fit. And we're gonna crank out all of my online driving school work. Before I start though, I need coffee. So I'm gonna make myself a Teddy Graham latte. Okay, so basically, I'm going to attempt to finish all of my driving school work, or at least most of it. I'm gonna get through as much as I can, and I made myself my latte. So, yeah, I'm almost done city driving 4. Thank God. Because these are, like, the most boring ones. But anyways, I'm gonna get to work. I finally finished this one. Thank God. Guys, I'm 45% done this course. I think I'm gonna take a break at about 50%. I went crazy. Assessment time. Okay. 9 out of 11. That's actually really good. Sorry, I'm not serving baddie with my hair like that. 9 out of 11. I think that's the best I've done on one, like, first try. So I only got 2 things wrong. What? Yippee. 45% done. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more before I take a break. Maybe I'm gonna edit while this finishes freaking loading, because it has a timer, so you can't go to the next thing until that timer's up and there's 130 seconds left, because I read really fast, so the timer's always done before, the timer's always like still has a while to go before like when I'm done, it still has a while to go. So I'm gonna start editing more of this video, because a bit of it's edited but not all of it. Okay, I'm gonna go eat lunch now. I finished my coffee. I'm almost 50% done. At 50%, I'm gonna edit and like take a break from this, because my brain is just, I can't do it anymore. And then I'll probably do another 10% for today, and then I'll do the other 40% this week. It's so tiring. Okay guys, I'm going to the mall with my family, so I'm gonna put on a sweater. I've been wearing these babies in a little bit because it's been warm, but it's kind of chillier out today, so I'm gonna wear them today. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, I freaking love my car. I don't know why I didn't grab a hair tie. It's fine. I have to move my seat to popular settings. It's like right now. Whew. I feel like that's good. Can I press on both? I can't press on both. Perfectly fine. Okay guys, I'll see you guys after. Okay, just got home from the mall, guys. It was great. My brother got his suit, we got Starbucks, my dad and my brother got the haircuts. And then I went to Garage and I got this top for the concert. I'm going to the Weekend. Told you guys this already. So I'm gonna show you what the outfit looks like together. And it's so cute. Okay. Isn't it so cute? Okay, now I'm gonna do some hot Pilates because I haven't gotten much like exercise this weekend, and I really want to get like at least a little bit in, a little sweat before I go back to the gym tomorrow. Definitely not perfect, but I'm just wearing this top from Able, this bra from Able, and some black leggings, and I'm gonna grab my yoga mat, and I'm gonna get to our hot Pilates. stopped at like 28 minutes because I couldn't see anything. She was doing something really weird. But as a figure skater, our hips are like literally, they're so bad. Our hips are so bad. They're like, they don't work well. Our hips and our knees, our hips, knees, and ankles. So all our leg joints fricked, beyond fricked. So our spins, our landings, when we fall, we smash our knees. Knees are black. Knees are bruised for days and days and days. Sometimes weeks. Hips, my hip was bruised one time. It was black, like it was black. My ankle snapped quite a few times. So my hips during Pilates are actually in so much pain. It's not even funny. But anyways, that's not the point. Hi, pretty girl. I'm gonna make chips and salsa. What are you doing? Chips and salsa, I'm gonna have some too. Guys, this is a pretty good like Pilates flow. My hips are in so much pain. Chips and salsa, and then we're gonna chill outside for a bit. Okay guys, now it's time to shower. I accidentally stepped on something wet, so in my hair. It smells like smoke. Maybe I can get away with it. It's not that bad. I think I'm gonna get away with it. I'm gonna get away with it this time because I just washed my hair yesterday. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I need to pee. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me for my long weekend. Not as eventful as past ones, but it was still pretty fun. I like the sledding better. And I will see you guys with a second video this week. So you guys get this one, and then you guys get another one. Love you guys so much. Stay positive. If you guys had a long weekend, I hope you guys enjoyed yours. And I love you. Till next time. Oh, like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell to know that I post a new video. And yeah, see you next time.